Welcome back to the second video on memory. In this video, I give you an overview of some of the things you can expect to be able to do at the end of 30 days. Yes, because you'll be able to develop your memory, a mega memory, a powerful memory within 30 days. Because for each day in the month, you learn a new technique, a powerful technique that will enable you, for example, to memorize, say, 20 random words in less than 5 minutes, or a long string of numbers, for example, 14-digit numbers. That is a number that has 14 digits in it, and you'll be able to recall that within a minute or two. You learn, first of all, that the key to good memory is attention. You need to pay attention to what you're doing. And in a set of videos, I've designed some challenges to challenge your ability to pay attention. And you can measure your progress or track your progress every day as you develop your memory to recall information. Now you need to learn the techniques of how to pay attention, how to register information, and much more. Now, memory plays a very, very important role in academic performance at school, at university, at work, and in life. Your ability to recall information is very, very important. You learn how to use the story, how to associate, how to form strong associations between images to be able to recall that information. Instead of cramming, you learn science-backed information to use your brain more effectively. The top performers at CXC use more effective learning strategies than you are using currently. It is not that they have a better brain, a superior brain, or superior talent, or that they were born with it. No, they are using techniques that others have shared with them. What anyone can do, another person can learn to do. Okay? For example, you learn about techniques for remembering formulae, dates, places. You learn how to organize information using graphic organizers. You learn about the laws of association and how Olympiad athletes, that is, every year there's a world championship competition where people from around the world participate to determine who has the best memory. And these people are able to recall, for example, a set of playing cards. A set of playing cards has 52 cards. They can memorize 3 packs, yes, 3 packs of playing cards in less than 5 minutes. Most of us will struggle to memorize 10 cards in 5 minutes. You too can learn powerful techniques to do that. You learn that memory is a skill, and like any skill, it can be trained and can be improved. So, those of you who think that you were born with a limited memory, that's not so. You learn techniques. Memory is a skill. You learn systems for memorizing information. You learn how to use the technique of linking, how to create graphic organizers. You learn about the major system and memory, and the minor system, how that can help you recall long lists of information very easily. You learn about the peg system, how you can store information using pegs. For example, using shapes of elephants to remember information. For example, when you look at this image of an elephant, you know an elephant is famous for having a very powerful memory, a long memory. That is why a very powerful software application called Evernote has as its icon a memory shape of an elephant. Because with Evernote, you can remember information for a very long time, store it and remember it and recall it for a long time. So for those of you who have been struggling to improve your performance in CXC subjects, this is the tool for you. No more cramming anymore. Long hours repeating information over and over and over. You learn how you can boost your information by actively recalling the information you want to memorize. You learn how to organize information and so be able to recall it instantly. You learn how to use the memory palace and much, much more. Enjoy.